Forget cardio punishment, forget hustle. If you're rebuilding muscle and strength in midlife, the goal isn't to burn more, it's to signal more. Movement in the context of peptides and metabolic restoration is a language, and the muscle listens. Here's how I recommend approaching it. Focus on strength training as your foundation. Lifting weights heavily and with intention sends a powerful message to your body. Preserve this tissue, build more of it, stay young. You don't need long sessions, but you do need consistency. 3 to 4 times per week of resistance training, alongside walk windows and daily NEAT, will outperform chronic cardio every single time. Now, about walking, I recommend walking after meals and in a fasted state, especially while using peptides like tesamorelin or MOTS-C. It improves insulin sensitivity and teaches your body to use fat, not store it. Walking isn't weak, it's strategic. Sprints, if you're ready for them, can come later, not as punishment, but as a metabolic flex. I love them, and they are insanely efficient for throwing your metabolic switch and visceral fat burn. Here's the queen rule. We don't move to burn calories. We move to signal command. When you train like a queen, your body listens, and it begins to shift fast.